Just a 20-minute drive from Las Vegas Strip, the Red Rock Canyon reveals a jaw-dropping desert realm of towering crimson cliffs, ancient petroglyphs, and winding hiking trails. What started as a slice of rugged wilderness is now Nevada's most iconic conservation landscape. Welcome to Red Rock Canyon. In 1936, the area became part of the Desert Game Refuge, an early wildlife conservation zone under federal oversight. In 1967, the Bureau of Land Management formally withdrew 10,000 acres and designated it as Red Rock Recreation Lands, which was Nevada's first significant land protection effort. After sustained public and political support, Congress established Red Rock Canyon as Nevada's first national conservation area on November 16, 1990, under Public Law 101-621, signed by President George H.W. Bush. In 1994, President Clinton expanded the NCA from 83,000 acres to nearly 196,000 acres via Public Land 103-450, with a further 1,000 acres addition in 1998 under the SNP-LMA, reaching a current total of approximately 195,800 acres. Geologically, Red Rock Canyon features Aztec sandstone cliffs and vibrant red-orange hues, the result of iron oxide within ancient marine sediments. The canyon's elevation ranges from roughly 2,000 to over 8,000 feet, enabling diverse habitats from desert scrub to juniper ponderosa woodland, home to species like desert tortoises, bighorn sheep, sagebrush lizards, and over 600 plant species. Human occupation dates back thousands of years. The Paleo Indians and southern Paiute people inhabited the area, leaving behind petroglyphs, agave roasting pits, and pottery fragments, which still exist in parts of the canyon today. The area later became Sandstone Ranch in the late 1800s, near present-day Spring Mountain Ranch State Park, a pioneer-era stop and ranching hub. Located just 17 miles west of the Las Vegas Strip off State Route 159, it's roughly a 30-minute drive to the Visitor Center, which is opened 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The park features a 13-mile one-way scenic drive with numerous overlooks, trailheads, and parking spots for photos and short walks. Entry fee is about $30 per vehicle. There are over 30 miles of established trails, ranging from half-mile nature walks to challenging hikes like Calico Tanks and Icebox Canyon. Mountain biking, rock climbing, horseback riding, and picnicking are also popular. Guided interpretive programs run by BLM highlight desert ecology, geology, and wildlife. The park hosts more than 2 million visitors annually. When you visit the park, make sure you dress in lightweight, layered clothing and sturdy shoes. Carry at least a gallon of water with you per person, especially if you're hiking. Best times to go are spring and fall, which offer comfortable weather and colorful wildflowers. Early morning and golden hour sunset bring ideal lighting for video footage. Red Rock Canyon is a living canvas where timeless geology meets vibrant ecology and human history whispers throughout ancient rock art. Just minutes from Vegas, it's proof that nature's drama can coexist beside neon lights. If nature, art, and adventure inspire you, hit that like button, subscribe for more hidden escapes, and share your own Red Rock adventure in the comments. Until next time, I'll see you next trip.